clear and bright in your eyes. It's a touch of your size, my lips are resting on your shoulder. When we're moving so soft and slow, you need the ecstasy, the jealousy, the comedy of love, like Cary Grant's and Kelly's once before. Give me more tragedy, more harmony and fantasy, my dear.